third session of the trilateral meeting between China, Afghanistan and Pakistan. Pakistan has had the pleasure of hosting the third round, and I'm delighted to see my colleagues in Islamabad today. Let me share with you that we've had a very fruitful meeting in which political cooperation, security and counter-terrorism cooperation, trade and economic activities, regional connectivity, people-to-people contacts were discussed. We've come to the conclusion that this trilateral mechanism is a very useful platform for future engagements. And we're happy to announce that the fourth trilateral meeting will be held in Beijing next year.
Please
go ahead.
Can I? Okay. I can share today that there is a considerable bilateral relations. President Ashraf Ghani's visit to Pakistan in June 2019 was a leap forward in our trust and confidence, and we intend to build on that visit. It was also extremely useful that the two leaders, Prime Minister Imran Khan and President Ashraf Ghani, had a good interaction on the sidelines of the OIC summit meeting in Saudi Arabia. We are also happy to share that the APAP's mechanism that had been put in place was reviewed for the first time, and we agree that it is a useful mechanism and we should make more use of it. I'd like to take advantage of your presence here, sir, to extend or reiterate our invitation to President Ashraf Ghani for joint inauguration of the round-the-clock services at Torkham. Prime Minister is looking forward to an early date, which is mutually convenient, so that we could inaugurate that collectively. We also feel that China is not just a close friend, but a good neighbor and a trusted partner. And with growing Chinese interest in regional connectivity, we feel not just Afghanistan, Pakistan, the entire region will benefit from it. We are also excited about the peace process moving forward. I wish you success, and hopefully from this US-Taliban framework agreement, we would move to the next stage, that is intra-Afghan dialogue, negotiations for a sustainable, durable peace in Afghanistan and the entire region. So, gentlemen, I am delighted to have you here. Of course, you know, the cricketing tournament and the exchange of diplomats is a welcome development. Under 19 teams will be playing in Beijing in October, and we would love to have your young diplomats in Islamabad, and that will further build a relationship of future diplomats. So thank you for being here.